Yo, 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 yo. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday, y'all. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Good morning, happy NFP day. No background music. I know. It fucking echoes in the recording, so only I can hear it. That way I'm not just sitting here in complete, utter silence. Instead, you guys are just sitting in utter silence. Oh, don't you love it, guys? Don't you fucking love it? But it is what it is. I didn't make the rules. But good morning, guys. Good morning. So you guys know how I generally initially look to trade these high impact news events. If you guys have been here a while, I like to look for the two-stage delivery, right? News pushes hard one direction. So NFP obviously had a spike up and then a huge rush down, taking out the data lows. And then I usually like to see the two-stage delivery back up toward the data highs. And since we're at all-time highs, this all kind of aligns. So now that we're getting this displacement up through here, I'm open to looking for that right now. I was being patient because we had SMT internally at this high here, from here to here on NQ and ES at that time. So I don't know if we were gonna displace hard through here and inverse this. I was gonna look for a short because we had traded back to equilibrium, but now we're flying. So I'd like to get in position for some longs through the data highs. Which is generally what I look to do on these high impact news days, is look for that two-stage delivery event until proven otherwise. We got a very nice breaker here now on the 2 minute. Let's see if we could get an entry off of that, like right off this 9:30 open. With stop here, it will work. There is a fair value gap lower in that leg. That I'm gonna view this. Looks like we did tap into it, so I'm gonna view this as a protected low on this 2 minute. I am going to look for a long entry, guys. Right here, and I'm gonna put my stop below this low. Trade, sell, stop. So it's about a 22-point stop, and I'm gonna run it back towards the data highs. Looking to take the trade off anything over 1 to 2, to be honest. I don't need it to necessarily trade all the way back to the data high. But bullish order flow in effect right now, I would say. Fair value gap holding here, upper 50%. Inverted all of this entire 2 minute BPR right here. So inverted all this. Wouldn't want to see this disrespect, right? And then you got the breaker here. So, yeah, wouldn't want to see all these PD arrays fail. But it's also a 5 minute order block as well, which I don't know. Hopefully we can come back and retest it. I definitely don't want to chase anything today. Being super volatile after NFP, so good way to get wrecked. Trying to FOMO into positions, but let's see what happens here, guys. In the macro now. So even looking at this 5 minute, this is the beginning of that breaker right here. This is that breaker candle. So our stop loss is protected by 3 PD arrays, whether it be inverse fair value gaps, order block, breaker block. Depending on the time frame you're looking at too, you got bullish fair value gaps in here. 1 minute. Got picked up, guys. Time to ride the lightning. See what we get. Like I said, I think if this breaks down, we're probably actually going lower. And then this would probably be the new high of the week being put in. Obviously being put in on Friday, NFP day. Probably going to remove my risk once we trade back into midnight. Midnight open, New York open. Definitely in an interesting area here. Moment of truth. Turn on regular trading hours. We're right inside the opening range gap. Just closed it. So I might get shit on here. We'll see. But I do like the trade. About to get stopped out, guys. Just got stopped out. Minus 20 points. All right, now we just inversed the bullish gap. And we got SMT at the high. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Could we be getting short here, folks? Could we be getting short? Maybe. Code red. Mayday. We're going down. But I don't like that, like, fucking dollar looks like it was getting ready to kind of pull back here a little bit. You know what I mean? Look at this giant imbalance, man. We could pull back for this, which I think would send this thing to the moon. You know what I mean? I'm getting nervous. What are we doing here? Don't fuck with me. What do you want here? You know what I'm saying, this, guys? We get a little change in the state of delivery, close above this candle high here. This candle body open. Let's try it again. Let's go ahead and give her a whirl. Fucking A. Staying patient here. Staying patient. Didn't get that close. Didn't get the close we wanted there. Keep waiting this bitch out. Come on now. What do you got for us? I will say I do think all these stacked wicks do kind of look clean. I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie about that. Did we get a pullback all the way to OTE at this point? Probably, huh? Not quite. Looks like maybe we did on ES, though. Oh, yeah. But man, ES looks bullish. It's respecting bullish order flow. It really is. Yeah. Meanwhile, Dow Jones is all the way above data highs. I don't know what the fuck NQ's problem is. I'm fucking tempted to short this inverse. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm tempted. I am. Does that make me a bad person? I think I will, guys. I think I might. I'm gonna do it actually, okay? I'm short right now. I'm going stop at the SMT high. It looks like it doesn't want to fucking go higher here on NQ. But I'm gonna keep doing it light risk, man. I'm gonna try it. You know, if we fucking really display strong and close back above here, I might just dump it and fucking switch and go short, go long again. But yeah, this looks everything aligning. You know, we're in premium, SMT at the high, no SMT at these lows at all. Respecting bearish gaps, disrespecting bullish gaps. What the fuck you want from me, man? I'll give it a try. Might even add another one of this if this thing can get a little. Because if we can display slower, leave a bearish fair value gap, get another entry to add, our stop can be trailed to this high. It's Johnny. That is a 96-point move. Wow. All right, guys. Hovering a little in profit now. Hovering a little in profit. We're coming up here on 1030. Coming up here on 1030. It's been a wild one this morning. And by wild, I mean kind of gay. So far. I hope you're not offended by that. If you are, get fucked. Finally, we get a bullish SMT. The first fucking one. Right here. Weak 15-minute close there. Did not get a change in the state of delivery. $10.30 is upon us. New 30-minute candle. Playing a little entry hopscotch here. In and out of profit. Put the magnet on the chart. All right, you asked for it. This thing is notoriously known for fucking us over. I think one time. I think it's like 1 for 10. There's like one time this thing actually worked. I mean, the moment that magnet touched my chart, we engulfed in the next candle. I'm out, guys. I'm fucking out, and I'm probably looking for a long. Down about 500 bucks right now. Just been doing light one contracts for these couple trades. Getting little spankings. Just like that. Little spankings on the ass. Look at this fucking thing. Dude, the moment that magnet came, that's what we needed, though, to get some volatility. We needed that magnet on the chart, apparently. God. I'm looking at this 30-second as inversed right now. But just, I'll chill out a little bit. I want to see it look like it's wanted to hold this. That's when I want to hop in. All right, guys, I'm going to hop in with one right now. Long. Oh, shit. Suck me out west. $20-point stop. Mirror knows at 19. 19, 20-point stop. Going below this last down close candle here on the 1 minute, below 930. That's just so on. That's just so on brand. The moment like we started, we look short AF here, and then oh yep, put the magnet on the chart. Yep, let's fly. That's so on brand. That is fucked. I hate that for us. Yeah. I hate that for us. But I'm in, folks. I'm in. I ended up getting a pretty good fill there. Pretty good timing. We ripped almost right away. Not right away. About 5 seconds later, we ripped. You didn't have time to think about that one, guys. If you were sitting there twiddling your thumbs, you might have got left. You might have got left. But I might add one here if we pull it. If we leave a fair value gap here and can pull into it there. I'm not gonna lie though. This does make me a little nervous. All of this. But there's no like gap left in there on a higher time frame, like a 15-minute, 30-minute to pull back into, right? No, not even on the 5-minute. So part of me thinks that maybe those are not even going to be touched. It just looks kind of scary on the 1-minute chart. If you feel what I'm saying. All right, guys. I just tacked another one on, so it looks like I got my fill right here in this 30-second gap is what it's going to end up looking like. Yeah. Modify to... Holy shit. ES just flew. Moving my stop up to this low here. Yeah, gonna take one off here, probably right above New York midnight. Go risk free and let the other one run. That'll make back what I lost for the day, and then I'll ride the rest risk free. Oh fuck. I'm going to add an alert. Oh, shit. Hang on. All right, guys. I'm taking one. Should be about break even on the day now. As long as there's no fair value gaps left. There is one left. I might leave my stop where it is, actually, for now. I can always close it mentally if I need to. When ES takes out data highs, I'm out. What do you mean you can't hear me? My mic is working fine. I can see it right now. Can you guys not hear me, actually? Alex said I got left. Sad, crying face. So I'm assuming she can hear what I'm saying. He or she. Alex. Sorry. Never know. You can hear me? Okay. Yeah, guys, I left my... I'm going to leave my entry open for now. Got in on the second fill. Nice. I mean, what a crazy... We timed both of those pretty damn good. Literally got in and it flew. So, getting some volume here. Crazy. Out of nowhere. Like, weird time, too. Like, this is fucking 6 minutes after 10:30. All of a sudden, volume. But yeah, just leaving the trade open because big imbalance left here. We could pull back for it. You know, already made some money on this trade. So like, worst case scenario, fucking terrorist attack strikes, gets stopped out. I'll just be basically back where I was. So I'm minus 500, or maybe even a little less. What is this? Yeah, no, this is only. 18 points. So like 380. Yeah. All right, guys. ES is about to run that data high there at 53.80. It's got about 4 points to go. We are trading above New York. Let's check these higher time frame charts. Yeah, I will stick with that plan. I'm considering like you know, if I could partial again, I would partial and then hold to the data high on NQ as well. But I'm not gonna do that. I mean, I think like when I look at this chart here, I don't know, creating SMT with this. Even if we do get there later in the day, I do just kind of feel like it'll lead to a reaction of some degree, most likely. So I'll just take what I got. Tony, TP is when ES takes out the data high. So when ES hits about 53.80, I got an alert set because ES should beat NQ to that data high, obviously. So whenever that happens, I'm just going to close this trade out. Not to add insult to injury, but how funny is it that the fact that our first trade was a long from 930 open here, and our stop loss got bottom ticked right there? How fucking asinine is that? Does that just make you want to like, oh, that sucks, dude. Oh, that is so annoying. That really is annoying. All right, guys. ES looks like it's accelerating. Screen hit type shit, literally. And it just sucks what that does to you psychologically. Like, I started entertaining shorts at that point afterward. And I took one. I closed it way, way early, but you know what I mean? It just, that's what fucks with you. Fucks with you. Hand over the trigger, guys. You can hold if you want, but I'm just gonna take it. If you think, I mean, NQ very well probably, it's probably a good chance that it will get there, but yeah. Woo! Yeah! Oh. NFP Friday, am I right? God. Well, guys, I'm out of the trade. ES took the data highs. Data highs have been taken. I'm just so frustrated. I'm dead serious. I'm just so frustrated that our first trade, our first initial long trade, I can believe it, but like I don't want to believe it. It's just it just sucks. Man, this could have just been a one clean, easy, like one and done. That would have been the best possible outcome. You know, just a one trade, one con, 75 points, bro. That would have been just, I would have been so happy with that. Instead, I had to piss around with you, go back and forth a little bit. Shit happens, but you know what I mean, guys? Anyway, congratulations. Everybody should be green now, at least to some extent. Closed that trade. That contract ended up still running about 50 plus points. So that's, even on one contract, that's over 1,000. So it's good. Yeah, very good. Very happy. Can't complain. I mean, I can't complain and I will complain, but I think you guys know what I mean. SMT now at this high, so this is why I'm choosing to close and not hold. I think you can hold. This SMT is probably decent chance to fail, but we'll see. I'm not gonna bank on that. Just gonna trade what I see on the old chart. So good work, ladies and gents. That does get us back a little in green on the week. Nothing crazy, but 2 red days, 2 green days. Nothing else either. But yeah, guys, very happy with the trade today. Very happy with our TP now. Like seeing this, look at that. That's why I do that. I get some shit sometimes. People say like, why don't you fucking hold it to the target, you pussy ass bitch? And I'm just like, dude, that's why. Because SMT, bitch. Because SMT. I'm trying to fight this thing. Take what I got. And that's all I got. So, happy with that, guys. Good job today. Sorry we got stop rated on the fucking first long entry. We could have just been one and done. That would have been even better. But either way, green is green. And I hope you guys enjoy your Friday, enjoy your weekend, have fun, be safe. Again, not planning to trade as of right now the first 2 days of the week next week, and then also Wednesday FOMC morning, but wanting to trade FOMC afternoon after the madness all passes. So enjoy your weekend, everybody. And if you need anything in the meantime, as always, you guys know where to reach me. And guys, I'll talk to you all very, very soon. Peace out, everybody.